Want healthier, pest-free carrots with bigger yields? The secret lies in who you plant them next to. Companion planting is an ancient gardening technique that uses natural plant affinities to boost your harvest. Carrots are adaptable, but certain neighbors can transform your garden. Companion planting deters pests, improves soil health, and even attracts beneficial insects. It's about creating a thriving ecosystem right in your vegetable patch. Many plants act as your carrot's personal bodyguards. Cilantro is excellent, warding off carrot rust flies and other common pests. Onions, scallions, and leeks emit strong scents that repel carrot flies, onion maggots, and even cabbage worms. Aromatic herbs like chives, rosemary, basil, and dill also deter carrot flies and aphids. Marigolds are fantastic for protecting young seedlings from aphid populations. Even tomatoes can help, as their solanine inhibits carrot root fly development. Some companions actively improve growing conditions. Legumes like beans and peas are nitrogen fixers, enriching the soil for your carrots. This essential nutrient promotes strong, healthy root development. Low-growing plants like lettuce provide beneficial shade, keeping the soil cool and moist for heat-sensitive carrots. Their shallow roots don't compete, and they can even add nitrogen. Leeks help aerate the soil, making it easier for carrot roots to grow deep. Companion planting also maximizes your garden space. Scallions grow quickly and can be harvested between carrot rows, utilizing narrow spaces efficiently. Lettuce fills empty spots, providing ground cover and reducing water loss. Leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard have deeper roots, helping to outcompete weeds for nutrients. By strategically placing these plants, you can get more out of every square foot of your garden. Ready to transform your carrot patch? Experiment with these companion planting tips and watch your garden thrive. Like this video, subscribe for more gardening wisdom, and share your favorite carrot companions in the comments below.